สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today let's make Khao Niao Turian or Durian sticky rice. In my previous video, I showed how to make sticky rice at home using a rice cooker. You can tap on it at the end of this video. Full quantity details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. On low heat, add in coconut cream, followed by sugar and salt. Stir well until the sugar has fully dissolved. You can turn off your heat when all of the sugar and salt has fully dissolved. Now we are going to transfer our sticky rice into a big bowl. Pour your coconut cream all over your sticky rice and gently mix this in. Mix until the two is well combined. When the two is well combined, we are going to spread this out evenly. And then, with a plastic wrap or a saran wrap, you want to tightly seal this. Leave your bowl outside in room temperature. Seal for 40 minutes or up to an hour. Fluff it all up and it's ready to be served. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.